Hey, this is Reco coming at you again today, and in today's video, I'm excited to be cutting this review for Organic Networker by Kosta Gara, and I hope I'm pronouncing that name right. And I want to give you a brief review of this book and tell you why you should actually get this. All right, so Kosta Gara, I don't know if you know who this guy is or not, but I had the pleasure of actually reading this book. I got it about 2.5 weeks ago, and getting through it, and I'm almost done with it, but want to give you a quick review of it. So Kosta Gara, this guy, his story is pretty amazing. Now I won't go into all the details, but just a quick outline. He spent some time in an Iranian prison in his early childhood, and then went on from there to actually create a massive success inside of network marketing. And what I like about this book is how he blends in. He talks about 12 organic principles for limitless wealth, all right, of becoming an organic networker. And so, for an example, so let me show you how he actually blends his past life into network marketing. So I'm opening up here to the first chapter, and it's a really good book. Okay, so section 1. So the very first principle that he talks about is readiness, and how a lack of readiness is what landed him inside of our Iranian prison. So, for example, he said that in his early childhood that his mom had found out that, in the school that he was in, that they were teaching him things they shouldn't be learning. I won't go into detail. You have to pick up your own copy to get all that. But they were actually teaching the kids, things they shouldn't be learning. And so his mom pulled him out of school. All right, and they really didn't have a plan B or anything. All right, so they wasn't ready. They only knew that she just pulled them out and didn't know exactly what they was going to do. Now, having that type of decision, making that type of decision actually, led him to ended up in an Iranian prison. Okay, and how he translates this to network marketing is that he uses the example in this book. So say like if you go out for a coffee meeting and you get to the coffee shop, and say that prospect calls 20 minutes before y'all supposed to meet and cancels. Well, what do? You don't have a plan B in place. Well, his suggestion is actually, you could actually follow up with some other prospects, make more prospecting calls, or maybe even make a phone call and maybe link up with someone who's in the area who could be available, right? So you don't have to use that as failed time. So that's just some of the ways that he actually blends in his life experiences with network marketing. Now, that's just some of it. It's 11 more organic principles in here where he shows you how it actually all relates and ties in together. He actually goes into some team building stuff in here, which is really solid. Which I've actually learned several things out of this book. He also throws in some time management stuff that actually shows you how to manage your time. He actually gives you examples of what he done like early on in his career versus now to actually increase his productivity. So if you haven't picked up his book yet, like I said, at the time of this video that I'm making, I think it actually came out on the 15th. If you'd like to pick up a copy, I'll leave a link in the description, or if you're looking at this on my blog, it'll be right below this blog post. You can pick it up on Amazon. And I'll also leave a link to his website so you can go and check out and get to know this guy a little bit more. So I highly recommend this book if you're inside network marketing. It shows you what's possible, through whatever you're going through. It just gives you a sense of hope and, what network marketing can do when you put your head down. Read books like this and take advice from people who's successful inside this industry and who are sharing their knowledge with you. So if you are going to pick up the book, drop me a comment below. Let me know if you already have it. You're going through it. Leave me a comment below also and let me know some of your biggest takeaways from it. And if you're inside network marketing and you're looking for some leads for your business, head on over to DeRicoCherry.com, throw your name and email address in there, and gain access to my free 5-day MLM Attraction Marketing Bootcamp that's going to teach you how to build your business using the internet. I hope you're having an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.